If you're an older guy watching this video, chances are you probably have a few insecurities that have come along with age. But the funny thing is, right, a lot of us think that we're the only ones that have those insecurities. But the reality is that most every single guy, your age, our age, is carrying some version of those same insecurities. And one of the weird things about getting older is that nobody really prepares you for the mental side of it. When you're young, life is super simple, right? But somewhere around your 40s and 50s, something happens. You start reflecting on life more and you start comparing where you are today to where you thought you might be by this point in your life. You also start noticing changes in your body and even how the rest of the world sees you. The first thing that a lot of guys struggle with is the reality of physical aging. You can still feel like you're 22 mentally, but the guy in the mirror is showing you something completely different. Like, where the heck did all my hair go and where did this big gut come from? And along with physical aging, there's another concern that just sort of hangs out in the back of your mind, and that's the question of whether or not you're still attractive. A lot of dudes over 40 start wondering if they're still appealing to women or if the best years are behind them. Even those guys you see that seem to have a lot of confidence compare themselves to younger guys and wonder if they can still compete. Another big insecurity revolves around careers and whether or not you ended up where you thought you would. When you were young, it's pretty easy to imagine that by the time you're 40 or 50, you'll have everything figured out, right? You'll assume that you'll be financially secure, you'll be respected, and you'll know exactly what you're doing with the direction of your life. But the reality is sometimes different than how you thought things would be 25 years ago. And that can really mess with your head. Financial pressure is another big issue that a lot of guys are carrying around, even if they don't talk about it. So a guy might look successful on the outside, but in his head, he's worried about retirement or long-term stability or some unexpected financial problems. Even guys that earn a good income can feel pretty insecure about like whether they're doing enough to secure their future or provide for the people who depend on them. And that is a heavy weight that sits on the shoulders of a lot of guys. Performance in the bedroom. I'm sure you knew this was coming, so let's talk about it because, look, this is another topic that hardly ever gets talked about, but it's one of the most common concerns that guys face as we get older, right? You're going through changes in hormone levels, and also stress and other health issues can affect libido and performance. And a lot of that stuff causes major anxiety and embarrassment. Guys worry about disappointing their partner or being judged on something that's actually a pretty normal part of getting older. But because not being able to perform is super embarrassing, most guys don't want to talk about it or deal with it at all. And also because a lot of guys tend to tie their identity with performance, they're embarrassed even talking about it. So instead of dealing with the anxiety to find a solution, they avoid intimate situations altogether. And that leads me to something really important. You guys, I want to introduce you to today's sponsor, Rougiette Ready. Rougiette Ready is a prescription option designed differently. Rougiette Ready is a prescription treatment that works in as little as 15 minutes and stays active for up to 36 hours. This is a 3-in-1 formula that combines the 2 active ingredients in the most popular ED medications, but it also includes a 3rd ingredient, apomorphine, that helps prime your brain for arousal, which could be a huge game changer for a lot of guys. Another cool thing is that this is a sublingual. It's a dissolvable tablet that gets into your bloodstream a lot faster, so it can start working faster. So you're not waiting around for some pill to start working. If you have tried other options and want something different, Rougiette Ready might be the option worth exploring. Getting started is simple. Rougiette connects you with a board-certified doctor 100% online. And if prescribed, your treatment will ship right to your door quickly in discreet packaging. Gentlemen, connect with a provider at rougiette.com to see if a Rougiette Ready prescription is right for you. That's rougiette.com and use promo code FASHION to get 15% off right now. Learn more and connect with the provider at the link down below in the description and use code FASHION to get 15% off your first order. Okay, another area that can create a lot of insecurity is your overall physical ability. We all know how capable and strong we used to be when we were younger, but today you can throw your back out just bending over to tie your shoe. Our flexibility starts to decline and our endurance goes away. Now, even though we might not say it out loud, this is a big deal for a lot of guys because we still feel young inside, but our bodies won't let us do the things that we used to. Relationship history is another big issue that can leave some pretty big emotional scars on people that can create insecurities later in life. So a lot of guys who have been through divorce or have had a long-term relationship come to an end, some of these guys might question whether or not he failed in some way. You might wonder if you made mistakes that cost you something valuable, or if you'll ever find a connection like that again. Another interesting insecurity is that the world is changing faster than ever, and it can be hard to keep up with. Everything going on right now with technology and AI, all of this stuff seems to happen overnight, and it can be hard to understand all of it. 15 or 20 years ago, you felt totally connected to everything around you. But now, everything's moving so fast and in different directions, so it's hard sometimes to keep up and get a grip on everything. And just that sense of being slightly behind with technology and today's culture can make you worried about whether or not you still fit in. Now, this next insecurity is huge because sometimes it's just hard to control, and it's comparison. Look, we all do it, right? We compare our incomes to other guys. We compare lifestyles, fitness, relationships, and overall success with other guys. And social media made this even worse because it's constantly showing us these curated photos and videos of other people's lives, which may or may not even be true. And we look at those images, right? And we wonder whether or not we missed a boat somehow, or it kind of seems like everyone else somehow figured out something that we missed. And one of the deeper insecurities that a lot of guys experience around this age comes from looking back on your own potential. When you were young, the future was wide open and full of possibilities. But as the years passed, you start to realize that certain roads you thought you'd be on by now are no longer realistic. And a lot of guys might question whether or not they took the right risks, or whether or not they pursued the right things, or maybe they settled for something safe instead of taking more chances. And it's tough because that kind of self-reflection can turn into regret and depression pretty quickly if it's not handled carefully. And another issue is purpose, right? Think about it. The majority of guys spend decades focusing on building careers, raising families, and handling responsibilities. And all of that provides structure and direction for a very long time. But once the kids are gone, or other milestones have been reached, what are you doing now? What are you working towards? Okay, now, so with all that said, here's the interesting part. Acknowledge those insecurities and then use it as motivation. You can decide to get back in shape. You can pursue new experiences, and you can invest into your appearance. Basically, you don't have to stop improving. The real problem happens when men allow these insecurities to convince themselves that improvements are no longer possible. But the reality is, my friend, that look, you're in your 40s and 50s, you're in a very powerful stage of life. You have more life experience, you have more emotional intelligence, and a lot more focus and stability than you ever did when you were younger. Instead of hiding from those insecurities or pretending that they just don't exist, choose to move out of the background, right? Face those insecurities and then decide what you're going to do about it, right? You still have a lot more life ahead of you than you might even realize. I welcome your comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Live well, and I hope to see you in the next one.